Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're diving into how you can catch all the action of UFC 313 right on your FireStick. Whether you're a fan of mixed martial arts or just looking forward to some thrilling fights, I've got you covered on how to stream UFC 313 live on your Fire TV stick. Stick around because I'll guide you through the steps to get set up quickly and easily. Step 1. Prepare your FireStick. First things first, ensure your FireStick is connected to your TV and powered on. If you haven't already set up your FireStick, make sure it's connected to the internet and logged into your Amazon account. Step 2. Install the ESPN app. To stream UFC 313, you'll need the ESPN app. Go to the home screen of your FireStick and navigate to the search icon in the top left corner. Type in ESPN and select it from the search results. Click on Get or Download to install the ESPN app on your FireStick. Step 3. Sign in to ESPN app. Once the ESPN app is installed, open it up. You'll need to sign in with your TV provider credentials. If you don't have a TV provider, you can also sign up for ESPN Plus directly through the app, which will give you access to the UFC 313 event. Step 4. Accessing UFC 313. After signing in, navigate to the Live section of the ESPN app. Look for the UFC 313 event or use the search function within the app to find it. Once you've located the event, simply click on it to start streaming live. Step 5. Enjoy the fight. That's it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy UFC 313 live on your FireStick. Grab your snacks and get ready for an evening of intense bouts and adrenaline-pumping action. Conclusion. And there you have it. Now you know how to watch UFC 313 on your FireStick hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on streaming and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.